The Embroidery Library is a great way to easily view and access your embroidery designs. When you first install Hatch, you'll have two folders, My Embroidery and Public Embroidery. You'll notice that I have a couple more here. Now, the important thing to understand is these designs are not inside of Hatch. We are just viewing designs from this portal. So you can add your own folders in here because you probably already have a lot of designs somewhere out there on your hard drive. And we can add folders, and really we're not adding the whole folder, we are just adding a shortcut. So these are shortcuts. So to do that, we'll go to Manage Embroidery and Library Locations. I'll click Add. Then I'll navigate to the folder that I want to add. You do need to add a folder. You can't just add individual designs. So I'm going to add this folder, and I'll click Include Folder. And as I scroll down, you can see there it is. And I'll click OK. And now it's been added to my list. And if I select it, I can see all these designs. Now these designs are on the Hatch blog, and you too can go download them. This folder is one of my working folders, and it actually does exist in My Embroidery, but it's kind of buried in there, so I made a shortcut to it right there to make it easy to access. So what if you want to remove one of these folders? Well, you can do that. You don't want to delete it. What you want to do is go back to Manage Embroidery Library Locations, because this will only remove the link. It won't remove the files. So slide down to the one that you want to remove, select it, and click Remove. Now before I do that, here's a reminder. Removing a folder only removes the link from the library. It does not delete the files from storage. So you're totally safe removing any folders this way. So select it, click Remove, and we can see that it's now gone from this list, and I'll click OK. And now it's gone here. So remember, these are just shortcuts. These are not designs that are inside of Hatch. They're wherever they are out there on your hard drive.